Alrighty, so DC did the monthly last night, and obviously I couldn't get it. And so, now comes my stretch of DVRing TV stations for the test. This month I decided to record WUSA because I knew they'd be a guaranteed relay. That way I could see if WFDC failed to relay the test or not. And I also DVR'd WJLA after the test was sent, just to see if they did a timeout. But for the next 3 months, I won't be able to get DC's test as it happens, so I'm going to set recordings for different stations, just so we can mix it up a bit and see some stations that have had a history of failing the test, just to see if they relay. But this month we're going back to basics, start with WUSA, because I knew they'd be a guaranteed relay. So here we go.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, so unsurprisingly, nothing from WFDC. But I did make a good call to record WJLA, because they did time out. So this is going to be the last relay in the video. So here is WJLA. I'm going to show the scroll only because they don't drown out the audio for some reason. Never understood why they don't.
If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
That we have never believed. Women like me don't believe this kind of words.
That'll be it for the video. Thank you very much.